Well, hello everyone, and welcome to our webinar. My name is Vianney Hernandez. I'm a technical support specialist at Promine, and I'm a geologist. Thank you for joining to this webinar. So we are going to talk today about the benefits of using mobile apps in underground mining. So we are going to start now. If you have any question, please write it on the chat, and then I will read it when I'm done. Okay, so I will tell you a little bit about us before the webinar. And well, this company is a Canadian company, and it was established in 1993. It offers software services for the mining industry, focused on mine design, survey, and geology tools for underground mines. Our headquarters are in Quebec. This is our webpage and our phone number and fax. So Promine is a mining software, and we have many categories. We have essentials where we can find things like sections, for example. We also have modeling where we can work with different data depending on what you have is the tool that you are going to need from this category. We also have engineering where we have like everything for the mining engineers, and we have survey and ProGeox that is for geologists. So we also have other services. We have the consulting service. And one of the things that we have, for example, is to collect and validate information on site. We can also scan information and create a database or digitize your information. So these are things that take a little bit of time. So that's why we offer these consulting services. And well, we are going to start now with our webinar. We are going to see like some topics, everything related to the apps. So nowadays we have apps for everything. Like we don't even have to call to get a pizza like it was before. We only have to use our phone and then order it, and we will get it in our house. So we have everything, and it makes our life easier. We can play games, we can order food, we can organize our day or our work from our phone. We don't even have to go to the bank anymore. We can just go to the app of the bank, and we can do like everything from there. So apps are everywhere in our life, and now they are going to heavy industries, like in this case, to mining industries. So I will tell you a little bit more of why it is important to have apps in underground mining. So first of all, it's because it's a difficult place to work in. Like, for example, having internet connection when you are working from there, it's really difficult. Of course, it depends on the mine, but yeah, it is difficult. And there is many people implicated in the same task. So in one part, we have the surveyor just surveying the points, and then we have the one that is going to be in charge of modulating, or we have also the people that it's going to be in the front line taking notes and taking some samples from there. And we have the people that it's going to work with that information. So it needs a lot of communication. Communication here is really important to understand what the frontline wants and to make what they want in the offices. So for that, it has to be really clear, and the information has to be really clear. And well, something that is taking a lot of time is that we have to do the same thing more than once. So for example, the mining the geologists go to the mine, and they have to take notes. They have to take your reference, the samples, and then go back to the offices, and then put it in the computer, and then make everything digitized again. So it takes time, of course, takes effort, and we could just focus in different tasks. And well, yeah, like go faster if we if we uh, if we don't have to do the same things 2 times or more than once. And of course, there is many equipment that we have to track. So it takes time again, and apps are helping us with this task as well. So the first thing that is really important is that we don't need more paper. We can, when we write in a notebook, it implies that it could get wet or lost, or another person that reads it can misunderstand what we wanted to say in that part. Or we also take pictures, and we have to put like which picture we took. So we have information in our notebook, and we have also information in our tablet or cell phone with the pictures. And we have to transcript information when we go to the office. So with apps, we can take notes in the place, we can take pictures, we can record, we can reference our samples, so we don't have to do these things 2 times. Of course, it reduces potentially lost data, because since we are in the front line, we are annotating everything we see. So we don't have like to say, okay, I'm going to edit this picture when I go to the office to mark the fault or the mineralization area. Like we already have it in the place that we are working. So it brings us to the productivity. So we have more efficiency. As I told you before, you are not going to lose the information that you already have in your tablet. And well, this is a real-time data from the face to the central mine operation hubs. So they don't have to wait for us to go back to the operation hubs to have the information that we are getting from the face of from the front of the mine. I think this is the most important thing, to have real-time information, because it is going to, we are not going to waste our time just waiting for other people to update the information. It's just real-time data, and it can help us to make decisions like easy, and it's going to take us less time. Have all the information at your fingertips. So sometimes we are in the front of the mine, and we have to make decisions, but depending on other nodes. So if we don't have that information in our tablet at that time, again, we have to go back and take all the information and then go to the front again. So when we have all the information, we never know what we are going to need. So when we have all the information in our tablet, we just have to look for it and then make the decision there where it is needed. So these two, well, I mean, productivity in general, it's going to be good because, of course, it helps us to have more profits and to make things faster, which means you are going to be able to focus on more tasks or just different tasks because you don't have to do the things again. And again, it brings us to well-informed decisions. When we have all the information in the same place, we don't have to be looking for all the information of every department. We all have the same information, and the person that has to make the decisions can just go for the information that that person needs, and then make the decisions without like taking that much time. Requesting information from other departments. So safety, it also helps us with this. We know that mining is a risky industry, but well, apps help us to improve this part, to be more safe in our job. And for example, we can get live data on mine development, which is going to keep updated to every worker that is in the mine in that moment. We can also have live data in vehicle tracking. That is important for safety, but it's also important to administrate your equipment. to know where it is exactly, if it is underground, what it is, if it is working right now. So you can administrate what every equipment you have is doing to, again, have more production. So it also helps us with that. And well, for when we have access to an update information, we can take instant pictures to notify others of safety issues, such as faults, rock bursts, and well, anything that could mean that there is a risk there. So those are the benefits that we have for the apps. And there are many apps, like many things that can help you to make your work faster and have a better productivity with this. So in ProMind, we have a philosophy to always offer a state-of-the-art solution adapted to the specific needs of our customers. Because when you were listening to this webinar, maybe you noticed that, well, I don't need that, but I will need it to be this way. That's because not all the minds work in the same way. So in ProMind, we know that. So we personalize your apps for you. You will get a custom app based on your preferences, based on what you need at your mind specifically. We have also this delivery straight to you, and it is estimated to deliver time is guaranteed to be 6 months or less. And our team uses advanced systems to secure your data. So as I did before, we could do like anything you need for your mind, and it will be customized to your needs. But we have here some examples, so you can just think of what you need, or you can take one of these and make it a little bit different. So for example, we have a perform real-time surveying, update survey plans, have an interactive Mind app, take photos and notes and markers and record data, collect worker safety info, predict dilution results of next blast round, your reference developments and objects, update databases, track vehicles, perform Boolean operation on 2D and 3D objects, mark points for prospecting, visualize a geological model in real time, add blocks to an existing block model, get info on rock mechanics, and get info on geomechanics. So these are like some examples that we have for you. But again, if you have any idea of what you need in your mind that it's going to help you to have more productivity, to have your data updated, like whatever you are thinking, you can contact us and we can see what we can do specifically for you. You can contact us at clientsupport@promind.com. And well, don't forget to follow us in our social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube for more content. I don't know if does anyone have any question? Or something that you would like to add to the benefits of using apps? Okay, so then thank you for joining this webinar. And well, yeah, have a good day. Bye.